Hi guys, it's Nunu and welcome back from spring break. I hope it was happy and restful. Okay, so here we are in English 101, College Reading and Composition 1. What do we have here in home? Our bulletin board. Let's survey home. So we have the About Week 10 video, the weekly video about what we're doing this week, and you're watching it and listening to it now. Scrolling down, we have a link to Week 10 and modules, our to-do list for this week, Discussion 6A, the curriculum, which is what we learn, and we have a pronoun agreement quiz. Our artwork here relates to the curriculum, and we ask an interesting question here. What's the core of the core curriculum? What does that mean? And maybe we can ask an even more interesting question. What should be the core of the core curriculum? Okay, but we'll save that for discussion 6A. I'm going to remind you, of course, that our research paper topic is what is a cause or causes of low student success rates in the U.S. and what is the solution or solutions to this problem? Okay, so we've been scaffolding or building that research paper throughout the semester. And again, I have conference in the left menu. It is right up here. And I have office hours in general classroom building 210D from 12 to 2 p.m. on Mondays and Wednesdays, except for holidays. And of course, I'm always available to you here in inbox. You're never emailing me too much. If something's unclear, you want to chat, I'm right here. Okay, and of course, we have the workshopping the essay policy, a brief video about this. This is my pedagogy, my teaching method, and my grading system. So let's scroll back up and get ready for week 10. And before we do, let me remind you, please, to fill out the course evaluation here, to click on this link. It's super helpful to me if you complete this course evaluation. Okay, let's begin with week 10.